Here in Manasquan, several employees have tested positive for COVID-19. As you can see, their beaches are still open.
One of the employees was a counselor at the junior guard program and a couple of beach employees. So we've kind of suspended all our recreation programs for at least a week to see how the tests come back.
Mayor Ed Donovan of Manasquan is taking the pandemic seriously and knows that closing the beaches are an option, but he is not prepared to do that yet.
I think we would have to link it to the beach. You know, it would have to be specifically linked to the beach before we would close it. I had 12 friends or acquaintances who have passed away from the pandemic. So I really take it seriously, and I really wish that more people were wearing masks. I'm not quite sure why they're not.
The staff has been contact tracing to ensure the safety of staff, residents, and visitors, and are watching to make sure the beachgoers are appropriately social distancing.
We are always looking at how many people are on the beach, not a physical count necessarily, but more a physical observation of how many people are on the beach. And if it comes to it, we can close individual openings. We have 17 openings.
For the most part, people are satisfied with the way the town is handling the beach and continue to visit. Is the COVID-19 pandemic going to keep you away?
No, it hasn't yet.
Really?
Nope. As long as everybody can keep their distance and everyone feels safe, they're making us put on our PPE before we go in the bathrooms. They all are keeping a very good eye on how many people are going in and out of the bathrooms.
It's still the summer. It only happens once a year. The only negative is not all the places are open, you know, and some of the long-standing restaurants that have been around or places to go to seem to be maybe permanently closing.
But of course, others are still very concerned about their safety in the middle of a pandemic.
You don't know what someone's done or touched, and they're going into the water with everyone else in it too. Their bodily fluid is like going into the water. I guess that's what's like mostly scary, just like their bodily fluid. You don't know what's inside of them, their antibodies, all of that. Like, you don't know what's inside and going on. So if they're going into the water like that, they're contaminating not just like the water, everyone else who's swimming too.
Reporting from Manasquan for New Jersey News Network, I'm Kimberly Kravitz.